Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 10th students and the chapter is metals and non-metals. In the last class we were discussed the one chemical property that is metals reacts with acids. What happens ma? When acids reacts with metals, it produces salt plus hydrogen gas. This is what we already discussed in the last video. In this video, I am going to discussing about one more chemical property, that is reaction of metals. Reaction of metals with other metal salt solutions. Other metal salt solutions. Other salt metal solutions. So you have to remember this reactivity series. I already discussed in the last video. What is meant by reactivity series, ma? So it is a list of metals arranged in the order of their decreasing activity. So it is a list of metals. In this list of metals, these metals are arranged in the decreasing activity, decreasing their activity. So this is what reactivity series. Okay, you have to remember this series. Okay, so in this, come to this point, reaction of metals with other metal salt solutions. This means it is like a displacement reaction. What man? Displacement reaction. So this displacement reaction we are already discussed in the chapter 1. It is a type of reaction. What is meant by this displacement reaction? In this, one element can replaces their other element in a chemical reactions. The famous displacement reaction, that is example for this displacement reaction is iron. This iron reacts with copper sulfate, CuSO4, copper sulfate. What are the products, ma? You have to tell what are the products. So in this, iron can replaces the copper. Why? Because this iron is more reactive than copper. Just observe in this. So the element iron is placed above the hydrogen. That's why this is more reactive than the copper. So this, observe in this list, copper where it is. So this copper is present below the hydrogen. That's why this is less reactive. That's why this more reactive elements, iron is more reactive element. This more reactive element can replaces the less reactive element from that solutions. This is what are displacement reactions. So what are the products? So FeSO4 and copper. It is the displacement reactions. In the same way, we can use some other metals. So I am using zinc, Zn. When zinc reacts with the AgNO3, silver nitrate. Okay, can this zinc can replaces this silver? Just observe in this reactivity series where it is zinc. Zinc is here. That means zinc present above the hydrogen. So silver, hydrogen from the below side of the hydrogen, silver is present. That's why this zinc can replaces this silver. So reaction ma. So what are the products ma? So this ZnNO3 taken 2 times. NO3 taken 2 times and remaining Ag. Okay. So this is the reaction. So one more this. So I am taking one more element, that is Pb. Pb means this is lead. When lead reacts with copper chloride, CuCl2, which produces. So let's check Pb can replaces copper or not. So Pb is there and copper is there. So Pb, it is a more reactive than copper. That's why Pb can easily replaces the copper, and the products are Pb, Cl2 plus Cu. So this is the product. So one more, you can take anyone. So can Ag can replaces the copper sulfate. Is it possible or not? Check pounds. So both these elements are present at copper and Ag are present below the hydrogen. But in the series, first you get the copper. That's why when compared to copper and Ag or silver, this copper is more reactive than this silver. That's why this is no reaction. No reaction. Okay. Why this is no reaction? If it is possible. If it is, what are the products, ma? If it reaction is undergoes, what are the products? So AgSO4 and remaining Cu like this, but this is not occurs. This is not occurs. Okay, this is no reaction. Why? Because this silver is less reactive when compared this copper. When compared to both these elements, this silver is less reactive than copper. That's why this reaction not takes place. Okay, this is what this reaction of metals with the other salt solutions. These are the salt solution. Copper sulfate, GNO3, copper chloride. These are some salt solutions. So you have to remember these reactivity series. Okay. So this is all today's class. Okay. In the last class, what we studied? Reaction with acids. In this class, metals reacts with other metal salts. This is what today's class. So for this you can do the activity also. So by using taking two test tubes, in the test tubes take some metal salt solutions and take some metals and dip inside that test tube. You can check out the reactivities. So which metals undergoes the reaction and which metals does not undergoes the reactions. You can check with your textbook. In textbook is there nama 3.12 activity is there na. So from that activity also we can conclude that metals with other metal salt solutions. Okay, thank you.